teachers. I am Vaibhavi Tiwari from JNV Balota Bazaar. I am present here with my model of bioplastic. As we know that plastic is very useful and as part of day-to-day life, plastics at the same time are very harmful. Plastic don't only cause harm to our nature, but at the same time they are harmful to our health. Plastics are harmful and they are threat to human life. They are cause of diseases such as cancers. We know that plastics, when kept in environment, they are eaten by animals and are major cause of mortality of marine animals and cows. In this model, I have shown in right hand side the side effects of plastics, and in left hand side I have shown environment without plastic. So, to minimize the effect of plastic and reduce its side effects, I have made a bioplastic. Bioplastic is made up of 4 main ingredients, which are glycerin, starch, water and vinegar. The process of making this bioplastic starts with mixing of all these material together and stirring it well. Then we will heat on a spirit lamp, and then we will get our plastic. After drying for 1 day, we will get our plastic, and if we use this plastic commercially, it can reduce the carbon emission from up to 30 to 40%. In India, we generate more than 13 million tons of plastic in a whole year. So, if we use this bioplastic idea, we will reduce this number to very less. So, we should use this bioplastic and save our environment. Thank you.
Good morning, respected judges and respected teachers. Myself Karthik from Jawan Navodaya Vidyalaya, Lawan, Chhattisgarh. I am here to explore my idea. This is my model. Model 1, Model 2. Model 1 describes the river, polluted river, which this is the source and this is the mouth of the river. Between of this river, the banks, cities, big cities, leaving their garbages and waste materials without treating. And these are the factories. Even this also plays same role, which releases of chemicals and waste materials, untreated garbage. By releasing this from many years, this river has been polluted. Our aim is to clean this river and make the transportation in this river, which makes it easy and multiple by eco-friendly. This is my model, which goes on this river by floating. The floating waste is separated from the river by the funnelation of this funnel, and the separated material is passed by this moving belt into the mid of boat. And this is cleaned and made the tiny pieces and stored in this part where is storing section. And this is the upper part is used to carry people or goods. And this is run by the solar panel, which is connected above that. The energy is charged. And this is also run by idle power, which when this wheels moves, the connected belt moves. By this, the idle power generates. By this both of energy, this ship runs and clean this material. And by using this, what are the uses means? It maintains ecosystem, which is visible by waste pollution, and this of the water pollution, air pollution, increases the interest on tourism. This builds the fishes or animals to grow. This helps fishes to fishermen, and this stops air pollution, water pollution, which is causing for many years to our country. By this this is eco-friendly, and this helps us to clean fastly and move helps both. Thank you.
Myself Shweta Methoda from grade 9 from Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya, Laban, with today's model on the topic of converting of heat into electricity in vehicles. So now transportation is one of the most essential uses of the human life, and every human almost uses vehicle in his life. It has become a regular and essential use for everyone. So in this vehicle, there are many bad effects, even good effects. And as it is transport is a very basic need for everybody, everyone uses it, and that's just of the bad effects. So now today I am going to show how I am making this bad effect of one bad effect of a vehicle into a good effect. So now this is a model of a vehicle prepared by me. So that now this is a bike in which I have installed an engine which has an engine and silencer and exhauster. So So that the bad effect in this vehicle is that heat is being produced in the parts of engine and silencer. So now this heat is being wasted and it goes into the atmosphere, which even causes global warming. As if we take into the account of one vehicle, it does not cause much global warming. But like this, there are thousands, lakhs, and crores of vehicles using all over the world. So that they also impact a lot in the global warming temperature. So that now my idea is to use this heat which is being wasted. So now the question of how would we use this heat which is getting wasted is through a Seebeck generator. This Seebeck generator works on the model of a Seebeck effect. So this is a real life Seebeck generator. This is how a Seebeck generator looks, and this is even another photo of a Seebeck generator. So now this works on the model of a Seebeck effect. This effect absorbs the heat fluids or heat waves and converts it into electricity by temperature differences on the two sides of a given temperature of a given generator. So now this will be the hot side and another it will be the cold side. Now on the temperature differences, by this it will convert into electric energy. So this is the working model of how an Seebeck generator works. So that now by using this Seebeck generator we can use this electricity. Now when this electricity is being produced, we can use it for charging of our mobile devices at their place, or even we can use it to lighting of our vehicle lights. So now even other than this, we can even store this electricity in a storage unit which we can install in our vehicles, and we can use it further for our own purposes. So now this module will be very useful for us, as from this the heat which affects the atmosphere can be also saved, and even in the recent months in India electricity prices also happened because India ran out of coal shortage. Then so that from a waste thing we can produce our own electricity and save the electricity and save natural resources, and even we can predict our climate changes and even make better use of the things which are getting wasted. So now